Number 13. Let A is equal to matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Listen, we have a matrix and we need to show that a matrix equation is equal to 0. And from this equation, we have to see what is A inverse. Okay. So, here the given matrix is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Now look at here A square. So first we want to see A square. A square is A into A. A into A, matrix multiplication. Matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2 into matrix 3, 1, minus 1 into 2. This gives 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2, second row columns, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Okay, I hope all of you know how to multiply given square matrices. So this gives 9 minus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5, minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, minus 1 plus 4, 3. So, A square is the matrix 8, 5, minus 5, 3. Now, look at here, 5A, matrix 5A means 5 into the given matrix, that is 5 into matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Multiplying by a scalar, 5 into 3, 15, 1 into 5, 5, minus 1 into 5, minus 5, 2 into 5, 10. So, this is the matrix 5A. Now, 7I. 7I means 7 into the identity matrix. Listen, it is a square matrix of order 2. So, identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. So, 7 into 1001 means 7007. Now, A square minus 5A plus 7I. We need to prove this will give the 0 matrix. So, replace all the matrices. A square is 8, 5, minus 5, 3, minus 5A is minus 15, 5, minus 5, 10, plus 7I is 7007. So, this is equal to 8 minus 15, that is minus 7 plus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 minus 5, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7 plus 7, 0. Listen, here we subtract these two matrices and then add with the matrix 7007. Anyway, A square minus 5A plus 7I gives 0000, or the matrix equation A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. So, we proved. To see A inverse. So, we have the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I is equal to 0. From here, what is 7I? 7I is 5A minus A square, right? Now, multiplying by A inverse. Okay. So, throughout multiplying by A inverse, we have 7I into A inverse is equal to 5A into A inverse minus A square into A inverse. Actually, A square is A into A, okay, into A inverse. Now, I into A inverse gives A inverse. A into A inverse gives the identity matrix I. Here A into A inverse is I. A into identity matrix. So this can be written as 7 into A inverse equal to 5 minus A. Okay. So 5 minus A means the matrix 5i minus A. Now what is the matrix 5i? That is 5 0 0 5. Now what is A? A is the matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. Now subtract the matrices. 5 minus 3 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus minus 1 1, 5 minus 2 3. So this is the matrix 7 into A inverse. So A inverse is 1 by 7 into matrix 2 minus 1 1 3, or 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 1 by 7 3 by 7. So this is the required inverse of the given matrix. Okay. Listen, this is an important type of question. From the matrix equation, we want to see the inverse of the matrix. Okay. Question number 15. For the matrix A, 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3, show that A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. Okay. First we want to see what is A square. A square is obtained by A into A. So multiply the given matrix 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Okay. We get the matrix. Listen. 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 by matrix multiplication. Okay. Now A cube. Next we want to see A cube. A cube is obtained by A square into A. Listen. A cube is obtained by A square into A. Here what is A square? A square is the matrix 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 into the given matrix 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3. Multiply these two matrices. We can see that A cube is equal to 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69, then 32 minus 13 58. I am not doing the matrix multiplication. You can see after multiplying A cube is the given matrix 871 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 13 58. Okay. Similarly, we can find 5a as well as 11i. What is 5a? 5 into the given matrix 1 1 1 1 2 minus 3 2 minus 1 3 gives 5 5 5 5 10 minus 15 10 minus 5 15. Okay. Now write down the equation. A cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. Replace all these matrices. We can see A cube 8 7 1 minus 23 27 minus 69 32 minus 13 58 minus 6a square. 6 into A square. A square is the matrix. Listen. 4 2 1 minus 3 8 minus 14 7 minus 3 14 plus 5a. 5 into the given matrix. Already we found 5 5 5 5 10 minus 15 10 minus 5 15 plus 11i. I is the identity matrix. So 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Okay. Now operate these four matrices. So listen, 8 minus 6 into 4, 24. So 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11. Okay. 8 minus 24 plus 5 plus 11. So 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 11, 24. 24 minus 24, 0. Now 7 minus 12 plus 5 plus 0 gives 7 plus 5, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Now third element, 1 minus 6 plus 5. 1 minus 6 plus 5 plus 0. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Similarly, you can see all the entries are equal to 0. So, the given matrix equation is a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay. Next we want to see from this equation what is A inverse. Hence find means from the given matrix equation we want to check or find what is the inverse of the matrix, right? Listen children, we have a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i is equal to 0. From here write 11i. What is 11i? 11i is equal to 6a square minus a cube minus 5a. Now multiplying throughout by a inverse. So 11i into a inverse equal to 6a square into a inverse minus a cube into a inverse minus 5a into a inverse. Now 11a inverse gives a inverse equal to 6a square into a inverse gives a minus a cube into a inverse gives a square minus 5 into a inverse gives the identity matrix I. Now replace all the matrices. 6 into a. 6 into a is the matrix 6, 6, 6, 6, 12 minus 18, 12 minus 6, 18. Minus a square is the matrix 4, 2, 1, minus 3, 8, minus 14, 7 minus 3, 14, minus 5i. 5i is 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay. Now operate these three matrices. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 minus 5, minus 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 0, 4, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 minus 0, 5. Okay. Similarly, we can write the other entries are 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. So this matrix is 11 A inverse. So what is A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by 11 into minus 3, 4, 5, 9, minus 1, minus 4, 5, minus 3, minus 1. So this is the required inverse matrix. Okay. So question number 16, the same question. We have a matrix and we want to verify the matrix equation. And from here or from there we want to see what is finding A inverse. Okay. So go through the exercise question as well as examples given in your textbook. Especially these type of questions. Okay. So practice well all the problems. Then in the next class we will discuss how to solve a matrix equation. Okay. So attend the test paper regularly and up to date your notebook works. Okay students. So thank you all once again. Have a nice day.